Do you find dating challenging? Do you find it frustrating? Or are you just completely over it? I get that. I work with a lot of women who are dating and they're not getting the results they want. I work with women who are not even on the dating apps because they're frustrated. They've met catfishes and scammers, people who misrepresent themselves. And then I work with women who haven't been dating in a while and they don't even know where the first steps are. If any of these three types of people describes you, I would like to tell you that dating can actually be fun. You can go into it feeling playful and sexy and beautiful, and you can get the type of man that is right for you. So I want to ask you, what would it be like to know which dating apps to use? Because during the pandemic, it's the best, it's actually the safest, and it's a way to find men, quality men of substance who actually want the same thing that you do. I have been on the apps myself, and because I know how to work with dating apps, I know how to put out a dating profile that shows the true authentic self. I have met so many men of quality and substance. And a lot of them, when I started working on tools and techniques and making them better and better, I have become very good friends with them. In fact, I am still friends with the majority, probably about 89% of the men I've ever had a Zoom date with. And if you would like to learn this, if you would like to learn tools and techniques and strategies of how to date, if you would like to discover what's holding you back from finding that relationship, if you would like to be held accountable, meaning, yes, you want to have a boyfriend, you want to date, but there's no way in hell you're going on those dating apps. If you want someone to walk you through it, help you create a winning dating profile that will get you the type of man you desire, then I invite you to find out more about my new program called Dating Intentionally, which begins March 4th. In this program, you will learn which dating apps are right for you, how to create a dating profile that shows the true you and that will attract the right man for you. You'll also learn how to quickly assess the men on the apps just based on their picture. If you find someone you like based on the picture and how you feel about this person, then you go further and you look at the bio. So this is not about wasting time. This is about getting exactly what you want in less time and with less frustration. It's about scheduling that Zoom date, that virtual date quickly so that you can decide if he's worth meeting mask to mask or he's worth getting to know further. You will be able to ask those uncomfortable questions, those questions that are in the back of your head about, is he really who he says he is? How can I find out? Does he have the job he says? How does he feel about money? How does he feel about budgeting and spending? How does he feel about a relationship? Does he want marriage? All these questions that can trip so many women up, you will learn how to ask in such a way that he will be open, He will be more forthright and direct, and you can feel comfortable that this is the right one for you. You will also learn how to date playfully, confidently, and comfortably. I invite you to book a call with me. It's a free call. Let me find out more about you, find out what's holding you back so that we can address that. And we can find out if we're the right fit to work together and if this program can help you get what you desire. I invite you to click on the link below and book a discovery call, because my intention, my mission is to help you date intentionally, focused on your pleasure and having fun, so that you can be in a relationship, whatever that looks like, that's right for you.